There's a driving habit that can extend your transmission's life by over 50,000 miles, but most drivers think it damages their car. Mechanics know the truth, but they're not telling you because fixing transmissions is how they make money. Today, we're revealing the one habit that saves transmissions, why everyone thinks it's harmful, and the actual science behind why it works. This goes against everything you've probably been told, but the engineering facts don't lie. Stick around because we'll also expose the habits that actually destroy transmissions and cost you $3,000 to $5,000 in repairs. This is CarCulture-X. If you want to save your transmission and thousands of dollars, hit that subscribe button right now. Let's get into it. The habit everyone thinks is bad. Here's the habit: shifting your automatic transmission into neutral at red lights and stop signs. Most drivers think this damages the transmission. They've been told it creates unnecessary wear, stresses components, and can even cause the transmission to fail. That's completely wrong. Shifting to neutral at stops actually reduces transmission wear, lowers transmission fluid temperature, decreases fuel consumption, and extends transmission life significantly. Let me explain why this works and why you've been lied to about it. Why neutral? At stops saves your transmission. When an automatic transmission sits in drive at a red light with your foot on the brake, the torque converter stays engaged. The engine keeps pushing forward while the brakes hold the car still, creating constant friction, heat, and stress. Inside the torque converter, transmission fluid churns aggressively, generating heat that breaks down the fluid faster and reduces protection. Shifting to neutral disengages the torque converter, allowing the engine to run freely. Fluid movement calms, heat drops, and stress is reduced. This matters even more for modern multi-speed transmissions that generate extra heat. Professional high-mileage drivers use this habit to extend transmission life well past 300,000 miles. The science behind it. Let's talk about the engineering. Automatic transmissions fail primarily from heat. Transmission fluid operates effectively between 175 and 200 degrees Fahrenheit. Above 200 degrees, the fluid begins breaking down. At 240 degrees, fluid life is cut in half. At 275 degrees, the fluid is nearly worthless. Heat comes from friction. When your torque converter is engaged at a stop, internal components are slipping against each other constantly. The fluid is churning and generating heat. This heat accumulates over thousands of hours of stop-and-go driving. Studies show that reducing transmission operating temperature by just 20 degrees can double transmission life. Shifting to neutral at stops can reduce fluid temperature by 15 to 25 degrees during city driving. The math is simple. Lower temperature means longer fluid life. Longer fluid life means better lubrication and protection. Better protection means components last longer. It's basic engineering that transmission manufacturers know but don't advertise. Why everyone thinks it's bad. So why does everyone think shifting to neutral damages transmissions? There are several reasons, and none of them are based on facts. First, older drivers' education courses taught that you should never shift while moving. This made sense for manual transmissions where shifting incorrectly can grind gears. It doesn't apply to modern automatics with hydraulic controls. Second, some manufacturers put warnings in owner's manuals against shifting to neutral while driving at highway speeds. This is dangerous because you lose power and control. But at a complete stop, it's perfectly safe. People misunderstood the warning and applied it to all situations. Third, quick lube shops and dealerships profit from transmission repairs and replacements. If everyone shifted to neutral and their transmissions lasted 300,000 miles, these businesses would lose billions in repair revenue. They have financial incentive to discourage habits that extend transmission life. Fourth, automotive myths spread online through forums and social media. Someone posts that neutral is bad without understanding the engineering. Others repeat it, and suddenly it becomes accepted fact despite being completely wrong. The truth is that shifting to neutral at stops has zero negative effects on automatic transmissions. Zero. It's pure benefit with no downside. Before we continue with how to do this correctly and what actually damages transmissions, if you're learning information that could save you thousands, hit that subscribe button for CarCulture-X. We expose the truths the automotive industry doesn't want you to know. Now let's continue. How to do it correctly. Shifting to neutral at stops is simple, but it must be done correctly. First, come to a complete stop with your foot on the brake. Never shift into neutral while the vehicle is still moving. Once stopped, shift from drive to neutral. It's usually just one position on the shifter. Keep your foot on the brake, especially on inclines, since the car can roll in neutral. Stay alert and watch traffic or the signal. Before moving, shift back to drive while still holding the brake. Pause briefly to let the transmission engage, then accelerate smoothly. This small habit reduces heat, stress, and long-term transmission wear. When to use this technique? Use the neutral shift technique strategically. It's most beneficial in certain situations and less important in others. Long red lights are perfect opportunities. If you're sitting at a light for 60 seconds or more, shifting to neutral saves significant wear. The longer the stop, the more benefit you get. Heavy stop-and-go traffic is ideal for this technique. City driving with constant stops generates massive amounts of transmission heat. Every time you shift to neutral, you're giving your transmission a break. Drive-through lines at restaurants or banks are excellent times to use neutral. You're stopped for extended periods with the engine running. Your transmission will thank you for the break. Railway crossings while waiting for trains is another perfect situation. These stops can last several minutes. Staying in drive the entire time creates unnecessary heat and wear. However, don't use this technique for quick stops. If you're only stopped for 5 or 10 seconds, staying in drive is fine. The benefit of shifting to neutral is minimal for very short stops, and the extra shifting isn't worth it. Use common sense. Long stops benefit from neutral. Quick stops don't need it. Focus on situations where you're stopped for 30 seconds or more. What actually damages transmissions? Now let's talk about habits that actually destroy transmissions. The real problems mechanics see every day. Never changing transmission fluid is the biggest killer. Over time, fluid breaks down, loses cooling and lubrication, and causes overheating and wear. Change it around every 60,000 miles or follow the manufacturer's schedule. Towing heavy loads without a transmission cooler creates extreme heat. If you tow often, an aftermarket cooler can dramatically extend transmission life. Aggressive driving with hard acceleration and sudden stops puts shock stress on clutches and bands. Ignoring early warning signs like slipping or delayed engagement turns small, affordable repairs into full failures that cost thousands. Using the wrong transmission fluid is another major mistake. Modern transmissions require exact fluid types. Finally, shifting between drive and reverse while moving causes direct internal damage. These habits ruin transmissions. Shifting to neutral at stops doesn't. The financial impact. Let's talk money. Replacing a transmission costs $3,000 to $5,000 for most cars, and $6,000 to $8,000 or more for trucks and luxury vehicles. A typical transmission lasts 150,000 to 200,000 miles. With good habits like shifting to neutral at stops, regular fluid changes, and smooth driving, it can exceed 300,000 miles. At 15,000 miles per year, that's 20 years instead of 10, saving one major $4,000 repair. Over a driving lifetime, that's $8,000 to $12,000 saved. Add fuel savings of $60 to $100 per year, and total savings can exceed $10,000. If this information is changing how you think about driving and saving you money, smash that like button and subscribe to CarCulture-X. Share this with anyone who wants to protect their transmission. Now let's address common questions. Common questions and concerns. People have questions about this technique. Let's address the most common concerns. Won't constant shifting wear out the transmission? No. Automatic transmissions are designed to shift thousands of times. Shifting from drive to neutral and back creates no more wear than normal driving shifts between gears. What about cars with electronic shifters? Same principle applies. Electronic shifters make it even easier. Just press the button or toggle the switch to neutral, then back to drive when ready. Does this work for CVT transmissions? Yes. CVTs generate even more heat than traditional automatics. Shifting to neutral at stops reduces heat and extends CVT life significantly. What about dual-clutch transmissions? Absolutely. Dual-clutch transmissions also benefit from reduced heat at stops. The technique works the same way. Will this void my warranty? No. Shifting to neutral at stops is normal operation of your vehicle. No manufacturer can void warranty for using a gear that's built into the transmission. My car has auto stop-start technology. Do I still need to do this? Auto stop-start shuts the engine off at stops, which is even better than neutral. If your car has this feature and it's working properly, you're already getting the benefit. Additional transmission saving tips. Beyond shifting to neutral at stops, here are other habits that extend transmission life. Warm up your transmission before driving hard. When first starting your car, drive gently for the first mile or two. This allows transmission fluid to circulate and reach operating temperature. Cold transmission fluid doesn't protect components as well. Use your parking brake. This reduces stress on the parking powel, a small component that holds your car in park. Parking on inclines without the parking brake can damage this powel over time. Coast to stops instead of braking hard at the last second. Gradual deceleration is easier on transmission components than sudden stops. Service your cooling system. Transmission fluid often runs through the radiator for cooling. If your cooling system fails, your transmission overheats. Keep coolant fresh and the radiator clean. Check transmission fluid level regularly. Low fluid causes slipping and overheating. Most vehicles have a dipstick for checking. If yours doesn't, have it checked during oil changes. Listen for unusual sounds. Whining, grinding, or clunking noises indicate problems. Address them early before small issues become expensive repairs. The bottom line: shifting your automatic transmission to neutral at red lights and long stops is not harmful. It's beneficial. It reduces heat, extends transmission life, saves fuel, and costs you nothing to implement. This habit goes against common belief, but the engineering and science support it completely. Transmission manufacturers know this. Professional drivers use this technique. Now you know it too. The myths about neutral damaging transmissions come from misunderstanding, outdated information, and financial incentives to keep you paying for repairs. Don't fall for it. Start using this technique today. Make it a habit at long red lights, in drive-thrus, and during extended stops. Your transmission will last longer, run cooler, and save you thousands in repairs over your vehicle's life. Combine this with regular fluid changes, proper fluid type, gentle driving habits, and routine maintenance, and your transmission can easily exceed 300,000 miles. That's the difference between one transmission lasting your vehicle's entire life versus replacing it multiple times. There you have it. The transmission-saving habit most drivers think is bad, but actually extends transmission life dramatically. Shifting to neutral at stops reduces heat, the primary killer of automatic transmissions. This simple habit costs nothing, takes minimal effort, and saves thousands of dollars over your vehicle's lifetime. It's one of the best automotive tips you'll ever learn, yet most drivers never hear it. If this video changed your understanding of how to protect your transmission, hit that like button and subscribe to CarCulture-X for more honest automotive advice that saves you money. Drop a comment telling us if you'll start using this technique.